Hey guys, Phantom Z18 here with another video, taking another toy review of the Ultra Hero series, Ultraman Regulus, Regulus, Regul, Reg, Regulus, Regulus. I think that's how you pronounce it. Yeah. Before we take a look at this figure, let's take a look at the tag he came with. Now here is the tag he came with. As you can see, there has a nice little image there of Ultraman. Hold up. Regulus. Ultraman Regulus. There's a nice image of Ultraman Regulus. Nice background. That kind of looks like his homeworld or something like that. That could be a clue. Yeah. Stuff in Japanese I cannot read. EX, he's now numbered. Ultra Hero Series logo. Ultraman logo. Stuff in the back that I cannot read. Remember, if you're outside of Japan, there is no such thing as customer service since you're outside of Japan. I'm in America. That means I don't have any customer service. What a bummer. Anyways, so yeah. I got this figure from Amazon Japan, I think? No, I got it from Hobbylink Japan. Oh jeez. So yeah, I forgot, I didn't share my thoughts on this character. I think I did, I can't remember. But to rephrase it, I like this character. He looks so damn cool. I kind of thought he was going to be the next Ultraman of like last year or this year. People thought he was Ultraman Trigger. And yeah. Really like him. I'm so glad that he's like not a villain, because I thought he was a villain. Showing off his like brand new Ultra look compared to the official Ultras that we've seen for a while. I thought he was a villain at first, but it turns out he's not, and that's good. He's like a new generation Ultraman Leo, which is kind of neat. So yeah, let's get in closer so we can take a look at those details up close. There's a nice silver they painted. Yellow for the eyes, green for the dots over there. And the chest armor is detailed really nicely. Blue there for the color timer. And silver around the body, and the entire body is red and red, just like Ultra 7. His body is red, but he still has those silver lines around him. Now, what's the most like, what makes this character a bit iconic, and what's his signature, like, you know, color? Well, he has tattoos on his arms. Nice little lion there. There's a lot of like paint bleeds, but I can't blame them. They have to like, it's like a tattoo on a little tiny arm. They can't do that, so I don't blame them. Yeah, and he has like bracelets which are detailed nicely. Yeah, it's been detailed nicely. Same for the other arm. Has the tattoo lion. I think it's a lion. Looks like a dragon. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So there's not that many details on the back. I mean, there is just a little bit, just not too much. You know what he kind of reminds me of? He kind of reminds me of the Ultra 7 AX concept art that Ultraman Zero was supposed to be. Well, Zero was supposed to be Ultra 7 AX, but he changed it to Zero. But his body design kind of reminds me of Ultra 7 AX. If you don't know what that is, just look it up. So yeah, really nicely, good, detailed, painted well. This figure is like detailed nicely and painted well. Yeah. One thing I forgot to film while recording is the articulation. So yeah, the arms can do a 360 rotation. Same goes with the other arm. Like that. And I could do a 360 waist rotation, which I'm not a huge fan of, because this is the example right here. Silver line right here, and then all of a sudden there's one right there. Like, where did this one came from? Where did that one go? So yeah, pretty much it. I still like the figure overall. Really nicely painted, nicely detailed, because you can see the muscle details they added on the figure. It's kind of like if it was an actual suit, you know? Like an actual suit, not like a comic book character or something like that. I still love the detail, his head design. So yeah, time for some size comparisons. There it is next to Ultraman Zero. People thought he was like an Ultraman Zero clone or past Ultraman Zero or something like that. So yeah, here it is next to Ultraman Leo. That people thought it was like a new version of Ultraman Leo, so why not compare them both? Remember all this mystery was going around, like who could that possibly be? Well, I'm gonna compare it next to Ultra 7 because I kind of thought it was 7 Superior. I may do a video of the character seen in the last episode of Absolute Conspiracy did not look like Regulus. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce it well. And here it is with Ultraman Trigger because people thought he was Ultraman Trigger. Yeah. And here it is with, well, this is not the official, this is my custom painted Absolute Tartarus. It's a sex same figure, but just like, I added some paint, by the way, just letting you know. So, yeah guys, that's my review of the Ultra Hero series, Ultraman Regulus. Okay, I'll try to like pronounce it maybe good later on compared to now. Regulusu. So yeah, that's my review of Ultraman Regulusu. Now, what do I think about this figure overall? Overall, this figure is really decent, not the best one in the world. And he could be better in terms of paint, but I don't blame them. So yeah guys, you should have it in your collection. He's a really decent looking Ultra. He has some cool moves, and I can't wait to see him in action in the Ultra Galaxy fight, the Distance Crossroad. So yeah guys, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Be sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well, all that will be linked down below. And yeah guys, hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.